In this video, I will show you how to find the functions.php file of your WordPress theme using the file manager. And for the purpose of this example, let's find the functions file of my active theme, which is called 2025. So at first, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the file manager. Let's go ahead and open it. Within the file manager, look for the root directory where your WordPress is installed. In my case, within the public_HTML. Then you should see folders such as WP admin, content includes. The folder of interest is this one, WP-content. Let's double click on it. And then look for the themes folder right here. And here's the list of themes installed on my website. The theme of interest is this one, 2025. It should be right here. Let's open it. And here's the functions file. Let's right click on it and then select edit. And here's the file content. And as a reminder, before you make any sort of edits in this file, make sure to have a backup copy. For that, let me go back to the file manager and then right click on the functions.php file and then download it to local computer. So in case if something happens, you can always undo the changes. So as usual, hope you found this video helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.